Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Monish, and I'm back with another video. And today is Independence Day, so happy Independence Day to all my brothers. So, guys, today I'm celebrating Independence Day with Firework Stash. So, these are my firework stash for today. So, let's get started. So, firstly, we have this. It's in India called Chidiya Bomb. This cost me 30 rupees, around 50 cents in US dollars. So guys, this is a nice cracker. This cost 6 rupees per cracker. It's nice, and let's see we can use it. And secondly, we have this. This is a cracker that flies and floats. This cost me 80 rupees, around plus $1 in US. This is a nice cracker. It's also called air fountain. You can see, let's focus it. This is a nice cracker. We can see in some moments we start. And this is a anar, matka anar. It's called matka anar. It's very good fountain. This cost me 25 rupees, and this is my residual, so I have only one. And these are some more fountains. This cost me 10 rupees. This cost me 5 per each. This is a nice, but they are so small that's why. And this is a small cracker. This is a pop. These are nice, and these cost me 5 each, 5 rupees each. It's very cheap and good for. Uh, and coming to this is a butterfly. In India, there is much popular, so it's good. This cost me 5 each, so 15 rupees for this. And lastly, we have this bullet bomb. I have only 3 left. These cost me 20 rupees for 3. It's nice, and but MRP is too high, 93 rupees for 10. But they sell for too high, not than an MRP. These are bullet bombs, sunshine quality, nice quality. You can buy this whenever Diwali comes, but today is not Diwali. So guys, these are some of the residuals that I will fire. So
3, 2, 1, go! Que tomarlo sin ningún apuro. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te pierdas si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito.
oh no, oh no, what's happening there? Only one light up. I don't know second one will lightened up or not. One has gone. Where is second one? There. Oh my god.